What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Verge on the Verge, down the street from the lake. Hopefully we have a decent day today, you know what I'm saying? I just want to catch a big fish. I want to catch something nice today. I don't care how much I catch, I just really want to catch something over 5 today, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to go ahead and get some food, fill up on some gas, and meet you guys at the lake. So we're here at the lake, just put the boat in the water, and we finna get to it, guys. Before we dive into this video, I want to give a quick shout out to Bear Marine. If you have a boat, if you need boat work, if you need some gear, if you need equipment, Bear Marine get you done. They'll take care of you, take real good care of you. Let's get to it, guys. Let's hop into this video. See if we can have a good day today.
Yeah, blue skies, what does that mean? They are in cover. Water's calm. So far. We're only gonna have 5 to 10 mile winds, so that's ideal for jerk baits, spinner baits, chatters also.
So we try getting closer to the bank. Should be set up on like secondary points, creek channels. It's about 7, 6. Good catch, Dan. Oh, nice. Look how fat these fish are. That's a chunk. That's a chunk. Look at your tummy. Your tummy's all nice and full. Your tummy's all nice and puffy. Cover. Structure. Where y'all at? Come on. Snag. Wow. Damn, Daniel. Oh. Fatty. Told you they're here. There we are.
Fatty McGee. Good job, D.
Yeah, damn, Daniel. That's a nice hat, man. Where'd you get that hat?
Bear Marine.
Bear Marine. Bear Marine will get you right. Daniel's killing it right now. Nice. Where'd you catch that one at?
There. Everybody's been casting. You know what I'm doing though?
What are you doing?
Super slow retreat.
That's what it is. And I saw my line running, and I set.
Yeah, dude, it's funny. That's how they hit it. It's just a.
All right, guys. So I was in the middle of changing my battery, and it felt a little thump. I thought I hit a stump at the bottom, so I just let it sit. And I saw my line moving, and there we go. Got us a fatty.
Nice bird.
Get a release on that. Get a release. Beautiful. There she goes. Oh, fuck my life. Oh, I got him. I got a big fish.
There you go.
Something's on it, bro. Something hit me.
Something is on it, look.
Something hit me.
Something is on it, look.
I got caught up, but then something hit me.
Yeah, something's on it, look, cause look.
Yeah.
Hope it's not an alligator.
I hope not.
Give me my fucking block.
Oh my gosh, I need this chatter too. Something was on it, bro. Something hit it.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I missed
something
them.
big dipped out.
Yes, bro. Something big hit me. Bro, got him.
Got him?
Damn, Daniel. I need to put my chatterbait back up. Nice little chuckers. So we're gonna try before we pull out the baba.
Yes, that's you.
Got him? Yes, sir. Yeah. There he is. Yes, sir.
Nice one.
got one?
Yeah.
Oh shit. They're in the,
I didn't even know I had them on, man.
they're in the structure.
You saw how I pitched it in there?
Yeah.
Oh, he's a nice one.
Drop shotting. Hey man, you can never go wrong with a drop shot. Alright, Jim, tell them what you're doing, man. What you got set up over there? We just saw you catch something. Go ahead and get some
Got me a
game.
little drop shot.
What's your setup there? What rod, reel, line?
Alright, I got the Luz Infinity, Xfinity I think it is.
Okay, check that out.
Yeah,
Nice.
Xfinity inshore,
Nice.
7-foot medium with a fast tip,
Nice.
20-pound braided.
Some gems right here.
That goes to about 8 feet
Okay.
of
What we're using?
copolymer.
Hook and bait.
Hook, 1/0. I'm not sure the name of them,
Okay.
but these are just slightly curved.
Nice.
You can see,
Yep.
slightly curved. You don't really have to do a hook set on these too strong. Just lift the rod,
All right.
and the hook will do the rest of the job.
There you go, guys.
And
And there's a drop
got
shot.
about 12 inches
Yeah.
on a 3/16 weight, light
Nice.
on KVD. Perfect plastic.
Yes, sir.
And the
See?
color is dirt.
And that worked out here. Got him a nice little catch.
Sure did.
Let's get it.
It's uni knot.
Okay, nice. Uni to uni knot. That's big right there. Y'all see Daniel's just killing it right now. Like, something that's over here that's just they're huddled up on.
Can we stop here real quick?
Yeah, I stopped.
Oh, dude, Gmo.
Oh, word?
Yeah.
Got him. Feels decent. Oh yeah. Please don't get off. Please don't get off. Yeah, this is our spot.
Should I remove another fish?
Yeah.
Another smaller one?
Yes, sir. All right, guys. We are back on the boards. Let's go, y'all. Good day today here at Choke. Who said Choke was dead? We're gonna act like Choke is dead. Choke is still dead, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That point over there, bro. I told you. No. Oh shit. Fish on.
Get him, get him.
I got him. Bring him up. I'm trying to get him. Daniel. Oh, this spot is generating. You need a sponsor.
Bear Marine, bro.
You hear that, Joe? You hear that? Like, I'm over here sitting down just trying to get situated, and Daniel is just ripping them left and right. Another fatty. Whew. Oh, that's a nice one too. Want me to land him? Ooh, look how fat that is.
Flipping bait. Flipping fish right here. Look at that.
That's a fucking fat fucker.
Let me see what you caught him on.
$2.97 Walmart flipping jig. Look at that. I think I broke my PB, bro. Nope. You're not gonna believe this, bro. 4.7. Let me see your scale.
Oh shit, dude, there's a fish in his mouth. Look.
No way.
Look. There's a fish in his mouth.
See?
Look, right.
Wow, let me get a picture of that. That's dope.
Shit, I need a sponsor, goddamn it.
A little heavier.
Yep, 4.6.
Yeah.
Scales are right.
Yeah. All right, man. So what did you catch that fish on?
Carbon fire speed stick, heavy.
Okay.
7'3", fast tip. With the 7-to-1 KVD.
You was able to get him in nice and fast.
Yes, sir. Football jig,
Nice.
customized. Cut the top skirt about 3/4 of an inch to an inch. And they are completed with a excite bait.
Nice.
Flipping bug or flipping something.
Little bandito bug.
Yep. And all.
Oh, that's juicy. Just let me know whenever, bro. Like, oh, shit, we already had our day. Shit. Got him. Nice one. Nice one.
Yeah? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It feels like he's just,
On the boat.
like he's fighting hard.
What's up, Tony?
No! He's on. No! Sorry. No. That's a big one.
Yeah.
Oh! Damn, yo!
Oh.
Damn, Daniel. Killing it. Found us a nice little spot right here. Nice, buddy. Yep. I got you if you need me. Oh, that's a nice one. Yes, sir, yeah. Alright, you guys. Ha!
Another.
Look at that.
That's an 8 or 9
Off the chatter platter. Wasn't able to get that on camera, but
I think I may have got it.
look at that.
Oh.
We're gonna get a weight on this one.
Look at that.
Hey, look at that. Bear Marine. Get you right. Bear Marine gonna get you right.
Tear it, yeah.
Where's that weight at?
Zeros.
Eight.
8.
8
flat.
even.
Told you that was an 8er.
Nice.
Told you that was an 8er.
8.
Son. Son.
Locked in.
Son.
Can I get a picture? You can take a picture
Locked
of me.
in.
All right, fellas. It was fun. We're gonna get it released. I put my GoPro up and everything because the batteries were dying, so.
Hey. I got batteries in this.
Bring it right. There she is. There we go. We'll get back to it. Let's go. It's another one, man. Like, told y'all my GoPro's not running, so I gotta pull out the phone every catch now. But we're still racking them up, boy. Still racking them up.
Oh, in the same spot I got him, huh?
Flip him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Guys, we're only fished like really 2 spots. We're just circling it back around, guys. When you find a spot, you find a couple good spots, few good spots, you just put them in rotation, man. I swear. You have a good day. Yes, sir. There you go, fellas. Who's still out here? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Still getting in. Still putting in the work. Still in the same spots. Let's get it.